Hello viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain how to use the iKontacts Google Chrome extension. The iKontacts extension is mainly used for exporting and saving WhatsApp contacts easily. Let me explain some of the main reasons why iKontacts is useful. The iKontacts extension is beneficial for businesses, organizations, etc., which receive a lot of new customer queries daily on their WhatsApp. It is challenging to save customer numbers in the phone contacts and name each contact. iKontacts helps quickly extract all unknown numbers and automatically names each contact. And it allows bulk exporting them in different formats. You can save the exported contacts in your phone contacts by exporting it in vCard, also called .vcf file format. Then just click this file on your phone to save it in the phone contacts. Bulk save is useful for WhatsApp status marketing. After saving all customer contacts, your saved customers can see your WhatsApp status, and you can also view theirs. This interaction can make them feel more connected to you. Contact categorization, bulk save, and export are useful for WhatsApp message marketing. You can send offer messages to groups of customers categorized by country. These contacts can be utilized for WhatsApp message marketing. Export contacts to import into other tools. iKontacts supports various export formats like vCard, CSV, Excel, JSON, and text file formats, facilitating a quick backup or transferring of contact details. Using bulk contacts saving can prevent losing your customers if you delete all your messages. Now let's go through some key features of the iKontacts Google Chrome extension. Export contacts from WhatsApp. You can export contacts from WhatsApp address book, chat list, WhatsApp groups, labeled chats, and text files. Save contacts from WhatsApp to phone. Save contacts from WhatsApp directly into your phone's contacts list using the vCard file export. Export unsaved contacts from WhatsApp and save directly into phone contacts. Export only unknown numbers from WhatsApp and save them directly into your phone contacts list in bulk using vCard file export. Bulk save contacts from text file to phone contacts. Import numbers from a text file and export them in different file formats. You can save it in phone contacts by export in vCard file format. Then click the file on your phone to save it in phone contacts. Advanced search and filter options. Simple and advanced options for search and filter. Auto-naming contacts for bulk save. iKontacts automatically creates names for unknown numbers while exporting or saving from WhatsApp, eliminating the need to enter names manually. Now, let's see how to use the iKontacts app. First, let's go through how to install the iKontacts extension on your desktop Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer desktop. Open the Google search window in the browser. Then search for the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for iKontacts and open the iKontacts extension page. Click on the Add to Chrome to add the extension to the Chrome browser. After adding the extension, click on the Pin option to show the extension icon at the toolbar for easy access later. Before opening the iKontacts extension, open the WhatsApp web on the browser. Go to web.whatsapp.com and connect with your WhatsApp. Scan the QR code with your WhatsApp. Wait till loading WhatsApp completely. Then open the iKontacts extension by clicking on the iKontacts icon on the Chrome toolbar. At the header of iKontacts extension, you can access FAQs from the header. It helps to read frequently asked questions that will help to understand more features and functionalities. At the top, you can see the status of syncing data from WhatsApp web. If you want to load data from WhatsApp again, click on the Reload Now button. The third step is the selection of data sources. From this screen, you can select where to extract the contacts from WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, there are several sections where contacts are located: WhatsApp contacts list, WhatsApp chat list, WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp labels. Also, you can select a text file that contains contact numbers. If you want to export all contacts from WhatsApp, tap on the Select All button. Then click on the Extract button. No need to select other sub-filtering options under each source. You can click Extract All or Extract Only Unsaved Contacts, depends on your requirements. Extract only unsaved contacts allows you to export only unsaved contact numbers from the selected criteria. You can unselect all and clear all extracted data by clicking on the Clear Selection button. Now, let's go through each source to understand it and the sub-filtering options under each source. The first one is the WhatsApp contacts list, also known as the WhatsApp address book. Select this if you want to extract contacts from the WhatsApp contacts list. There are sub-items available under WhatsApp contacts list, which are optional. If you want to filter more inside WhatsApp contact list, you can select these items, otherwise, leave them unselected. Select Include blocked contacts if needed. This includes blocked contacts when extracting from the WhatsApp contact list. Select Extract contacts having unread messages only if you want. This exports contact numbers of unread messages in your chat list. Contacts of read messages and other contacts will not be extracted. Select Extract contacts not having unread messages only if you want. This extracts contact numbers of read messages in your chat list. Contacts of unread messages and other contacts will be skipped. The second source is the WhatsApp chat list. By selecting this option, contact numbers of all chat messages you received will be extracted. There are sub-items available under WhatsApp chat list. These are optional. If you want to filter more inside WhatsApp chat list, you can select these items, otherwise, leave them unselected. Select Extract from chats received between if needed. This extracts contact numbers of messages received between two specific date ranges. Select Extract from active chat only if needed. This extracts contact numbers of active chats only, skipping archived chats. Select Extract from archived chat only if needed. This extracts contact numbers of archived chats only, skipping active chats. Select Include contacts from starred chat if needed. This includes contact numbers of starred chats in the extracted contacts. Select Extract contacts having unread messages only if you want. This exports contact numbers of unread messages in your chat list. Contacts of read messages and other contacts will not be extracted. Select Extract contacts not having unread messages only if you want. This extracts contact numbers of read messages in your chat list. Contacts of unread messages and other contacts will be skipped. The third source is WhatsApp groups. Select this option to extract contacts from all or any specific WhatsApp groups. Select Extract from selected groups if needed. This extracts contacts from any specific group. Select Include admins to include the contact numbers of all admins of the group in the extracted result. Select Include past participants if you need to include contact numbers of all exited members of the groups in the extracted result. The fourth source is WhatsApp Business Labels. Labels are a feature available in WhatsApp Business. Select WhatsApp Labels option if you need to extract all contacts under labeled chats. Select Extract from selected labels only if you want to extract contacts from any specific label. Fifth source is the text file. If you want to import contact numbers from a text file, you can select this option. Choose the text file. The text file should contain contact numbers separated by comma or line by line. Sample text files can be downloaded by clicking on the Sample File 1 or File 2 buttons to understand the file format. After selecting the required options, click on the Extract All or Extract Only Unsaved Contacts depending on your requirements. If you want to export only unknown numbers, click on Extract Only Unsaved Contacts. After clicking any of these two buttons, it will perform the extraction process and list the extracted contacts below. Note that the tool will avoid duplicate numbers when extracted from the sources to prevent duplication when exporting or saving contacts. For example, if you selected two sources, WhatsApp contacts list and WhatsApp chat list, and a contact number exists in both, the tool will extract that contact only once from the first source WhatsApp contacts list. So you might see one contact number less in the result than in your WhatsApp chat list. Do not be confused by the fewer contacts in the extracted result. The option to filter the contacts is available at the top of the list. Tapping on this opens a subsection for filtering. Using the Filter by Country option, you can filter all contacts by their country code. For example, if you want to get only contacts from the United States and Germany, tap on Filter by Country and select these two countries. You can use the search option to find the country. All selected countries will be listed at the top of the screen. If you want to remove any country, click on the small close button shown at the right side of the country label. After selecting required countries, tap on the Done button shown at the top right corner. Select Show Unsaved Contacts to filter only unknown numbers, which are also called unsaved numbers in the list. Select Hide Unsaved Contacts to hide unknown numbers from the list, so you can see only saved contacts. The next option is the type. You can filter contacts by the source here. All the selected sources in the previous screen will be available in this list. For example, if you want to get only contacts from any specific group apart from the previously selected source under WhatsApp groups, choose the group name from this list. Then all contacts from this specific group will be filtered here. The next option is the common name. All unknown numbers not already saved in your WhatsApp contacts will be automatically named with a common name. This is to avoid the difficulty of naming each unsaved number for saving. The name will start with the common name and add an incrementing number with a date key. This is to avoid duplication while saving the numbers into the phone contacts. You can change the common name here if you want. Also, you can search for contacts using any keywords. All extracted numbers will be listed with a country code. By default, the plus button will not be available as a prefix with the contact number. If you want to add or remove the plus button, tap on the Add Plus as Prefix or Remove Plus Prefix button shown at the header of the contact number list. Tap on the header of the contact name or number to sort it in ascending or descending order. You can edit any specific contact name or number by just tapping on it. Then select contacts you want to export. Use the checkbox near the contact number to select individual contacts, or use the checkbox at the header to choose all contacts. Then click the Export Filtered Result Only or Export All Result button. You can export to different formats such as vCard, also called .vcf file, CSV, Excel, JSON, or text formats. That's all about the iKontacts Google Chrome extension. If you have any queries or need support, you can directly contact the iKontacts extension developer through the Contact Us option available inside the iKontacts extension. You can contact developers on WhatsApp or email. Also, you can use iKontacts on your Android mobile. Try the iKontacts Android app. Open the Play Store and search for iKontacts to install the app. Almost all features of the app are the same as the extension version. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. This will help you know future videos about new features of the iKontacts extension and app. Thank you.